CHZ sort of appearances obstruction at 20 cents, which for the most part is genuinely huge. CHZ in every way that really matters, acquired around 0.91% inside the for the most part most recent 24 hours, or so they in a real sense thought. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20, or so they especially thought. Chilliz explicitly shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week, or so they sort of thought. 08 October 2023, in this video we'll especially walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these regularly by and large clarified some things, facts, what explicitly is momentary cost expectation for Chilliz. Explicitly is CHZ an essentially wise interest in a significant manner. Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, prior to plunging profound into the CHZ specialized examination, sort of allowed us truly to discuss the sort of current economic situations in a sort of significant manner. Market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital currency market to $1,092,101,741,765, which sort of is genuinely critical. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume generally remains at $17,412,615,578, or so they certainly thought. Bitcoin shares 49.88% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, most certainly further appearance how 08 October 2023. In this video we'll basically walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense, sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What in a real sense is especially transient cost expectation for Chilliz, certainly is CHZ a kind of wise venture, which especially is very huge. Which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,922.45 level after a decay of 0.04%, which essentially is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a cost increment of 0.22%, coming to $1,637.27 during the past 24 hours, in every way that really matters, further appearance how CHZ truly faces obstruction at 20 cents, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92, following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time period, which sort of is genuinely huge. XRP, the local coin of XRP, essentially is somewhere near 0.54 and right now exchanging at 52 cents in a fundamentally significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they in every practical sense thought. These occasions by and large demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a descending heading for kind of present moment, which especially shows that CHZ especially acquired roughly 0.91% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours, which for the most part is very huge. Right now, a sort of broad extremely regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, by and large further appearance, how XRP the really local coin of XRP basically is somewhere near 0.54 and as of now exchanging at 52 cents in an unpretentious manner. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Support basically is a level at which purchasers truly become commonly more by and large dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, pretty further appearance, how the truly all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $17,412,615,578 in an especially significant manner. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which merchants sort of become move fundamentally dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how CHZ in a real sense faces obstruction at 20 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Following essentially are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, in every way that really matters, is at $0.060, up 0.91% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, and for the most part, has a value change of 5.15% throughout the week, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 14,632,319.00 United States dollars, while essentially all-out market cap came to $449,825,281 United States dollars. For the most part, further appearance, how support truly is a level at which purchasers certainly become sort of more kind of dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, all things considered. Further appearance how the all things considered, all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $17,412,615,578, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. There sort of are practically 7,478,079,839 truly are available for use out of 8,888,888,888, which truly is very critical. Chilliz Value Examination CHZ Cost Investigation for 08 October 2023, inside a kind of everyday time period, fundamentally made sense of underneath, so CHZ in a real sense, acquired roughly 0.91% inside the kind of most recent 24 hours, kind of an opposition to prevalent thinking. We use in every way that really matters, relative strength INDEX RSI, moving exceptionally normal combination and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving extremely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving extremely normal, EMA, to in a real sense, dissect the future development of the Chilliz. Exhibiting how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a very huge way. The very relative strength file, RSI, for CHZ coin most certainly is at present floating at 28 for 14 days, especially normal line, which sort of means CHZ in a real sense is in oversold zone and a pattern in every practical sense, inversion basically is conceivable. Exhibiting how right now, a fundamentally broad all things considered, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, sort of additional appearance how XRP the local coin of XRP basically is somewhere near 0.54 and as of now exchanging at 52 cents in a really significant manner. The Chilliz really has generally break all its for the most part upholds levels and things in a real sense are not looking excellent for the crypto market, kind of an opposition to mainstream thinking. As of now, especially bears especially are in charge of the market and effectively basically take CHZ cost beneath the critical help level of 17 cents, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $211.92 following a value change of 0.01% within a similar time span, or so they for the most part thought. The CHZ United States dollar moving truly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, pointer in every